Hello folks. Lately I've been noticing a lot of unusually branded ammo on the shelves of our local shooting store, gun shop as it were. CCI is a standard here in the heartland. I guess if you plink shoot a 22, you've probably seen it, if not shot it. This is made in the USA. It's lead round nose ammo. It shot well. I'm not going to say it shot better than anything else, but it shot good. As you can see here, out of 5 shots, 4 of them were in the 2-inch circle at 50 yards. The one stray will attribute to me flinching or my lack of shooting skills, but 4 out of the 5 landed in the 2-inch circle. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, the 5th one outside. If you can get this ammo, be glad to have it. Shoot it. It shoots well. Didn't dirty up the gun terribly. Get some. Take a kid shooting. Thank you.